Hey everyone, GCS Multi here, and welcome back to Heroes Battlegrounds. So they literally just at I recall 1:05 p.m. It's like I don't know how many minutes ago, like 54. I don't know, but they had a recent update, and now Jet Engine is currently free. Let me show you on the board. So yeah, so everyone can play this fantastic character now. I don't really have a combo for him since I'm still kind of learning a combo for him. He's really fun to use though. Thank you. Really I even heard that one of his moves has a finisher. Whoa. Okay, wait. That's really cool. I think they just added that too. But yeah. But he's not the one that we're focusing on today. The character we're actually focusing on is called the new character, early access character, Human Architect, which I'm pretty sure is the character from My Hero Academia Overhaul. Don't know much about him. But yeah, he comes with 2 new moves, and he doesn't have an ult just yet, however, it has his name on it. So yeah, this is my first reaction to this, by the way. I did check the Discord to see what was going on, and I was hyped. So that's why I tried to get this out as much as I can. So, me and you are going to be reacting to this really quickly, so. Okay, pretty decent dash. Okay. I respect the dash. Hold on, let's see what Okay. And ones. Okay, I like the lightning up. Whoa, wait, is that there's like a spike. Hold on. Let me turn on shift lock and see if I can see that. There's like a spike. That's cool. I like that. That's neat. Okay, uppercut. Okay, neat. And then down slam. Huh, what about the aerial? Okay, I like it already. It's like cool, really flashy. Okay, the first move is called Renovation. Okay, so let's try it. Did bro just pull out a gun? Wait. Bro pulled out a blicky and shot him. Wait, hold on. Let me see that to the side. Hold on. Wait. I missed it. Oh, it's Renovation. Yeah, he pulls out a gun. That's so cool. Okay, what about Dirty Work? Oh. Okay, so I can only... Wait. Yo, that is so cool! Yo, that is lit! Hold on. Yeah, it shoots them. That's so cool. So, wait, can we aim Dirty Work? We can. It does a good amount of damage, too. You see that? 30 to 18. Okay. So, it serves as a wall as well. It's like a literal wall. And something that I'm kind of concerned about is if you use it, can someone use it against you? Oh, it disappeared. Okay, hold on. Again? Oh, you can also break it as well. Okay, let's see if Dirty Work is the finisher. Oh, wait, it does. Yo. What? You put him in like a, what is it? Stone coffin type of thing. Dude, this character's already lit, dude. This is so cool. Dude, yeah, that thing needs a hitbox buff. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm sorry. But it needs a major hitbox buff. But then again, it's probably just me. Yeah, okay. Let's see if Renovation has a finisher. It missed the you need to use it from like a range. It's a ranged move. Okay. Dirty Works finisher. It's kind of hard to aim. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Oh, you tried hitting a... What? What was that? Hold on. Okay, you can't pick him up. Okay. Yeah, he doesn't have an ult. That's figured that. Oh, okay. So it does have... You can hit him from the ground. However, it just knocks them back. It doesn't do anything like the flashy gun stuff. I need to see that thing again. I need to see the finisher again. Because wait. What did he like... I don't know if he like... What did he do? Like... Tries hitting us, okay. It's him. It's like... We do something to his like muscles or something. That's what it... At least that's what it looks like. That is so cool. Okay, lock on there. The gun is so cool. Like, this is a Battlegrounds game, and he just casually pulls out a gun. And look at those spikes. Those are so cool. That is lit. Of course. Alright, people. We are in. Most likely that I'm not going to be able to stand a chance, but one can only hope. And as we see, someone's already activated Dirty Work. Alright, let's find someone to fight and hope for the best. Oh, I have shift lock on. I would have got demolished, dude. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay, wait. This dude's already good with Overhaul. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, wait. Why did it miss? Move. Aw, man. I think he just got his ult, too. How did he hit? Aw, man. That finisher is so cool, dude. That is a lit finisher. I don't know how he broke my block, though. Oh, dang it. Why did he leave? Wait, no, he didn't leave. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Bruh. Yo, this is so he doesn't require movement. That's what I'm seeing. Okay. Dude. How did he... Bruh. Talk about Ultra Instinct. Dirty Work? Uh-oh. I accidentally turned off lock on. Ooh, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, man, this is funny. This is funny. Ah, man. Oh, okay. Why did it miss? I hate renovation. Renovation is really starting to get to me. This is way too funny. Dang it! Oh, snap! It takes away one of your moves. No, move. I walked right into that. Uh-oh. This is the thing. I don't know if renovation breaks blocks, so I'm trying to... He's trying to hit me with the finisher thing. Please hit. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Okay, wait. Hold on. Woo. Woo. Let's go! Let's go! I finally killed my friend. Keep in mind, my friend has 5,306 kills. I only have 264. Holy crap! Holy crap! I finally killed him! I finally killed him! Let's go! Oh man! Oh man! I finally killed him! I finally killed him! This is my second time killing him too. Look how many pillars there are. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Uh-oh. Woo! I'm on it today. Okay. Good. Oh, got him. Ooh. He popped his ult, dude. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot. I'm focusing on you. Yeah, I had a feeling I was stuck there. Holy finisher. This is actually really lit. Yeah, that is cool. I like that. That's really neat. Let's go! Oh, let's go! That was clutch. That was clutch. That was so clutch. Oh, come on! Oh, he messed it up. Look, bro. I get that. Oh yeah, even if you, I'm pretty sure I stated this before, but even if you hit your ult, it won't do anything. It just refills your moves though, on the bright side. Remember me? Yeah. Yeah, that is a lot of damage. Oh, come on! I thought you could pick him up from the ground with that. What happened to that? Yeah, I couldn't do anything about that. I really want to hit someone with a finisher. Do not. Why? 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 I'll take that Fury kill streak away from you. You, come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Okay, that's it. Let's go. There goes one of my moves. Now I can only fight with M1s, okay. Boom! Okay, wait. Dang it! I think I had an evasive as well. But if you think about it, I will be taking that kill streak away from him. Just give me a little, just give me a little bit of time, guys. Just give me a little bit of time. As for you, you get back here. Oh, I didn't notice who was. Does this involve you? Does this involve you? I would like to know how much. Is it just me? Oh, I didn't realize. Get back here. Get back here. I have no idea what moveset this dude's carrying. Okay. Reserve flame mastery. Holy. Not easy fighting with the early access character, you know. Oh. However, his moves kind of do help provide for you. Oh, okay, okay. We have finisher range here. Please. No! Okay, wait, hold on. Let's go, we hit him with the finisher. Let's go. Oh, finally, dude. Huh. Can I fight you? Boom. You should have never used your evasive there. Because now you can't move. Oh, that was dodgeable too. Let's go hit him with a finisher, baby. Ooh, okay. Okay. Now we're cooking. He tried to hit me with the air combo. What? No. Ain't about to catch me with Replica Assault. Ooh, so close. Please. Ooh, let's go. I didn't kill him. think he's dead now. Oh, come on! Oh, come on, dude. Yo, move. Okay, wait. Can we hit him with it? No! Is he dead? Okay, he's finally dead. Is there a reason why my character is not backing up? And is there a reason why you're attacking me? Come on. And why did I just get hit like that? Whoever just did that, Kronos, I hate you. No, do not. How would you? Yeah, that's not even your kill. That is so dumb, dude. See, that's the problem with Heroes Battlegrounds. I love the game, but you can't even attack the dummy without getting teamed on. Like, attacking someone means that now you have beef with the whole server. I just don't understand that. I never will. You were the one who... Yeah, thank you, Burst, for actually saving him. But, however, that didn't help. And how does he still have his ult? Okay, cute. Okay, it took away a move I do not care about. Yeah, it took away dirty work. What? If I get hit with another Kronos. Do not. Oh my gosh, move! You see this, guys? It's like a hungry pack of wolves. Get over here. Oh, I flipped over him. He didn't know where I was. He didn't know. That's so cool. That's so funny. Crazy. And piece you up with the finisher, baby. Woo! Mid-air finisher goes crazy. Oh man, this is so crazy. This is so good. I love this new character. He's so lit. He is so lit. Hey, nice emote, bro. Do not start attacking me. I just came to here to see your emote. Who can I fight without getting jumped? Okay. I'm gonna fight you now. You no longer have an emote. So, let's fight. No. Dang it. Whee! Whee! Uh-oh. Ooh. Okay, wait. Oh, I didn't notice he was blocking. It's like if your character's really dark, I can't tell if you're blocking or not. Okay. Oh, come on. I want to hit it with the finisher. Back up. Oh, man. I couldn't back up. Let's go, finally! Builds up. Do not start teaming me. I say, fresh meat. Fresh meat. Fresh meat. I will not let the hamburger dead. Come on. Fight. Come on, let's go. There we go. Okay, maybe I can still work with this. Okay, let's go. Maybe I can still work with this. Just wait. Ooh. Oh, it was so close. Oh no, why did you try that? Oh, so close. So close. So very close. No. I was so close. So close, dude. So close. What just happened? Okay, I need at least one more kill before I depart. I hit him with the dirty. Let's go. Broke up, turned into like a brick house. Oh man, I'm on top of the world, chat. Oh man, he got turned into a brick, like a brick oven. I can't. Oh man, he better not have left the game. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's in jet engine now. Nah, I saw him miss that. Whoo! Oh man. Okay, who to fight? You. Nope. Ooh, I thought I had that. What boxes, question mark? Okay, good. What? I should seriously start waiting for that sound. I thought I was hitting him. Okay, good. Please don't let turn into a brick oven. No! Did that kill him? Is he dead? He is officially dead, guys. Okay. Let's go! Hit him with the finisher! He left the game! Oh, man. He left the game. Oh, man. But, as said, I've hit 275 kills, everyone. Whew! I am so happy that they got to release a new character. And holy crap. That was very fun. Too fun, in fact. Oh, no! Please. I didn't do nothing. I was supposed to end the video here. Uh-oh. This new character is very, very, very fun. Do not start attacking me, please. I try to do the outro for my video. Please. I can't catch a break. Please. Everyone, thank you for watching. And thank you for watching. I absolutely love this character, and the fact that off bat you can pretty much off bat you can actually use them and get kills with them. It's really nice. I don't even think you could do it with jet engine, but cause like his moves when he first started were I think he only had one move when he first started, but we got two moves, which means that they already had ideas for Overhaul before we voted. I think that's what it means. I cannot wait for his ultimate and the rest of his moves, because his ultimate is called Flesh Chimera, and I'm assuming he's gonna turn into like that giant monster, flesh monster, and we're gonna become super powerful. Yeah, I just cannot wait to see it. It's gonna be so cool. All moves, like the moves that we have right now, are really good. The fact you can get kills with it. Me personally, my favorite move to use is Renovation. Like, it's just so funny that the fact that we just like shoot them. And then don't get me started with Dirty Work, where you basically turn the person into a brick oven after you finish. After in the finisher. That is so cool. I absolutely love this game so much. It's just so cool. Bravo, Heroes Battlegrounds. Bravo. You don't know how fast I perked up when you don't know how fast I perked up when I saw them on their Discord. They said the new character was released. It's so cool. Like, holy crap. So, yeah, thank you so much, Heroes Battlegrounds, for giving us a insane update, and even better, me some good content, because I'm pretty sure you guys probably like this, but I'm pretty sure you guys probably watch Wicked expected. If you don't know, I'm inspired by most Strongest Battlegrounds and Heroes Battlegrounds YouTubers, so yeah, my content might be a little similar to his. But yeah, you already know what time it is. Hope you guys have a great day, night, evening, whatever. Just, have a great life in general. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Once again, very amazing character. Can't wait to see his ultimate and the moves he has in the future. Any updates he has in the future. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been GCS Multi out. Catch you guys in the next one.